Hi everyone, my name is Gungun.
Hi, myself Kriyansh Pandey.
My name is Muskan Yadav.
Hello everyone, my name is Srijal Sukh.
Hi everyone, I'm Surmesh Srivastav.
The rigorous practice sessions provided me an actual environment that resembled the examination day.
The whole Vedantu team supported me on my drop year.
The faculty over there are very experienced. We were able to clear all our doubts during the class with the help of the class teacher.
The teachers at Vedantu were very supportive and dedicated to our success. Even outside of class timings, they were always ready to provide assistance of any sort.
I've had moments of breakdowns in my journey when I was like, I could not do this. Maybe this thing is not meant for me. But my teachers never doubted me for a second. They were ready to listen to me, to talk to me, to motivate me.
मैं नीट के फर्स्ट नीट के टाइम के बाद आप समझो कि मैं नीचे गिर गई थी। वेदांतु ने आया, उन्होंने मेरा हाथ पकड़ा और उन्होंने दोबारा मुझे चलना सिखाया।
I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the Vedantu teachers for their support and guidance through this crucial time.
Really appreciate all the support that was given to me from the Vedantu. Thank you, Vedantu.
I would like to thank Vedantu for all it has provided.
Overall, I would say this has been a very fulfilling experience.
I can never thank enough Vedantu for what it has done to me in whichever ways it has helped me. Thank you so much.
हम कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे, सब कुछ आपको अच्छे से हो जाएगा। आप वेदांतु के साथ हो, so you will definitely crack it.